By the end of 2016, I'd already been living in India for about 2.5 years. At that point, I had nothing but a portable electric plate to cook on, a fridge, a bed, and a bathroom. Basic, but my front yard was literally the sand upon the ocean. By early 2017, I had moved to Israel. With no food processor, it was rather an effort to make falafel that a stick blender can do the trick just the same. So today we're going to do a kitchen hack where we are going to work out how to cut through a pita for falafel so that we can have a pita bread, and how we're going to be able to cut it without disintegrating the bread, because that's usually what happens, right? About maybe a third off. Just going to cut right through. Make sure you're using a nice sharp bread knife, that always helps. So the key to opening it is to be very careful. So I would suggest just using the back of a knife or a spatula even. I'm going to use a pizza cutter, and also being very careful not to roll out of there. So we've got a nice, amazing pocket there, right? What we're going to do with this piece is we're going to just trim it down a little bit more, so I know a lot of waste, right? But you can use this as a dipping. You can toast that up and use this part as for some dip, yeah? So we're going to take this small piece and we're going to place it right down in the bottom there. Try and get it up into the corners. This bread is going good so far. So there you have. Just gives it a little bit more stability for that falafel to hold all the ingredients that are going to go in there. Okay, awesome.